Video this.
Here we go. We probably should stick with the Ryobi now, man. We went from the slime into the Ryobi here. Now we got the plug over there. My friend hooked me up here. Check him out. Cool. Yeah, man, that was fast. You want to go follow him? Yeah, you need a plug then. Where we got one of these guys. I went to the dumpster and got a nail on that bugger, man. What a rip. Yeah, I gotta go get one in Costco, eh? No, Home Depot. Home Depot, I got that's my next investment right there. Yeah, cool.
20 bucks.
Can't do that, man.
No.
That, I need the drill and everything. I get a set, I guess, right?
I don't know.
Buy different batteries.
Well, no, all same batteries.
All the batteries are interchangeable, that's why, right?
Yeah, interchangeable.
That's what my son told me.
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah, 18 volt, that's pretty good. I use them to start my car once.
Wow, for starting your car. Wow. That's pretty cool. Yeah, that about to pump fast, way faster than this guy.
Yeah.
Man.
It did good with this, that's for sure.
Cool. You ready to do it, gang? I'm glad you're here. Otherwise, I'd be standing in North. I think, well, I would just change it and go get a thing and then go home and do the plug.
Well, we got you.
Cool, cool. 30 pounds already. I don't know what you got to put in that guy. 32?
30, it'll say on your door 33.
I don't know. I see it someplace.
35, between 33 and 35 is good.
Yeah, I know these used to be someplace. I don't know where, but it used to be in a door panel before, but I don't see it. It's okay. That'll work. Yeah, I guess they should put them right around here someplace. Used to be in a door panel, like I said, but I don't see it. I don't see it. That's okay. That's good. Random man. Yeah, that was super fast, man.
You got any good hints on lures?
Lures?
Yeah, you got any good hints on them?
Are you a fisherman?
Yeah, I fish. My son's a fisherman.
You
but,
what?
I'd like to, if you got any tips, I would like to pass it down to him, I'm okay.
Well, just to tell you, there's always a reason why people meet.
Yes, oh, definitely. I tell you that. I believe in that more than anything in the world.
I'm a YouTuber.
Yeah.
I got over 2,000 videos.
Okay, that's good. I don't watch videos.
Well,
I try not to. I like to fish. I don't like to watch fish, but you gotta learn, right?
Well, if you watch my videos, I'm the only one to share how to catch it, how to do it. That's why I got so many videos.
Yeah. Well, my son would love to meet you.
Yep. Well, I gave him a postcard.
Yeah.
I started 10 years ago.
My son is in
Okay.
So right now,
32.
It's 2 pounds off. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So if it says 35, it's gonna be 33 after.
Okay.
Yeah. So that's where you want to get it, and then you cut this stuff off because you don't want that grabbing on anything.
Okay, you're gonna cut the sleeve off there. You need a knife, or you could just
get them right there.
All right,
as long as it's pretty even with the tire tread, so it doesn't grab onto something and get pulled out. That's the main thing.
There we go, my man. There we go. Hook you up.
All right, my brother.
Yeah. What's his name?
Johnny Go.
Johnny Go. Hook me up here. Check this guy out, man. Aloha, mahalo.